before we play the teaser trailer, we would love to hear from all of you. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ I will start with the director itself. ಹೊಂಬಾಳೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. What was their first reaction after seeing the movie?
No, it's like hi to everyone. Thank you for coming for our press meet event. So it's like we were traveling for lots of promotions and all. So finally we are in Bengaluru. So in school, college time, we used to come here. It's like a tour for us to be in Bengaluru. Lots of friends and lots of Malayalis and lots of Bengaluru people we know. And there is an actor from Kannada also acted in ARM. So he
Pramod Shetty sir,
yeah. So it's Pramod Shetty. So he's busy with his film, laughing with the promotion. That's why he couldn't come today. ARM is like it's our dream actually. There are a lot of my crews and they all together worked for a long time for this film, and I hope not only the Malayali peoples in Bengaluru or Karnataka, I hope everyone will like it, this film. Please watch it in 3D also, and thanks to Hombale Films because they are the biggies here, so it's our privilege. They are distributing our film here, and thanks to Magic Frames, our production house also getting them on board. And I'm waiting.
Jatin answer, yes, we have a lot to talk because it's your first movie and it's a 3D movie. It's a huge project for you as well, so we have a lot to talk. Before that, Hari sir, once again, welcome to Nama Bengaluru.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling in Nama Bengaluru?
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Team ARM, I welcome the press and media this evening. First of all, thanks to Hombale Films, the big mammoth production house, releasing the movie in Nama Bengaluru. So we all know, their reach and all that. So I'm sure it is going to be, put in most of the screens, and you're going to be able to watch it in, good theaters. Thanks to Hombale and thanks to my wonderful team, because ARN, I think it is the most challenging for Tovino, and I'm very, very happy to be part of this film, because as an actor, I think I would like to play different roles. I don't want to play the similar kind of roles, all the time. So I think in this movie, ARM, I've played a very sophisticated character called Sudev. I'm very, very happy. Thanks to everyone from the team, from the director to the production boy, the whole team had really worked really hard, because we have been shooting in very tough terrain for everybody. And I'm very, very happy for Jatin, because this is his debut film. But I'm sure you all have watched the trailer, and it doesn't look like a debut film. So I'm very, very happy, and Jatin is definitely going to go places after this film releases, and you all are going to witness it. September 12th, the movie is releasing in all the languages, across languages all over the world. Please do watch the film in the theater, and I suggest you watch it in 3D because it is definitely going to be an experience. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Kabir Duhandi, share your experience.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Well, you said dreams do come true, sir. So, मेरा पुराना रिश्ता है यहाँ से because my debut was about Sudeep sir happily, and then I did Pahalwan, and I'm very happy that again I am here in front of you guys. Comes to ARM, it's a pure cinema, guys. It's a great content. So it's not easy the way you played all three characters, brother. Hats off to you. I'm in the first story. It's a three eras story. So I'm playing the first era, three different stories. Easy नहीं था किसी के लिए भी because more than 5 months shoot हुआ है, बरसात में, धूप में, skin tan हो गई हमारी, fight sequence में injuries हुई. So it was not easy for everybody. So I just want to request everybody कि please watch this film in theaters on 12th September. It's with mixed emotions. You get to see action, romance, adventure, fantasy, and it's coming in 3D2. So please watch this film in theaters. And I shot this film for 8 days, Jitin sir. So मुझे नहीं लगा कि यार ये आपका debut film है, like Harish bhai said. So I just got to know that sir was preparing this from last 6 to I think 7 years जो script पे काम करा, and वो ये चीज़ निकल कर आई. You saw the trailer, guys. So it's coming all over India, and support our ARM. I was lovely working with Tovi. Thank you very much, sir, Tovi, for making part of such a great film. क्योंकि हमारे साथ में scenes नहीं थे, but in future we'll work together. हरीश के साथ मैंने बहुत फिल्में की हैं, पहले तमिल भी की है, तेलुगु भी की. माय फर्स्ट फिल्म जिल में हमने साथ में काम किया था. सो ही इज अ वेरी जेम पर्सन. So guys, thank you so much for coming here again, and watch our film in theaters on September 12th. Thank you Hombale Films for distributing our film. Thank you very